I just did my first big Amazon haul, and I did books because I just saw someone just quit their job and is a millionaire just selling books on Amazon. So I just left Goodwill and found so many great books. So I didn't really know what to really look for, but as long as I made a profit even after shipping was like my deal. So if I made at least $6 off a book, I bought the book because it was only $1.50. I'm about to make $5 off of it. Well, a little less than $5, you know. As long as I made a $6 profit, I bought the book. But I found a lot of books that were sold on Amazon for $30, and I'm paying $2 for them. Like, what? Big profit. So I just left Goodwill. Thankfully, where I live, there's actually a used book store. Like, the whole store is just used books for cheap. Going to check that out tomorrow. I probably bought maybe 25 books for like $60, and I think I can make $400 off of it, off of those books. 400 from 60, like, pretty darn good. But we're about to do the calculation. I'm about to go home and scan all these books and get them in and see how much money I could really make. Now that I know that there's actually books out there that sell for like $20-$30, I won't get these cheap books that sell for like $6. Like, after a while, like, those $6 are going to add up, of course. But however, if I can make $20 off of one book, I'm trying to get those $20 books because that's less weight in the box. And I'm about to do this fixed rate shipping stuff. I'm shipping it right to Amazon. I'm not shipping it to the people. I'm shipping it to Amazon and letting Amazon do all the work. I'm going to go ahead and scan all these books in and register and put them, sell them, list them on Amazon, and calculate how much money I'm about to make and how much money I know I didn't lose no money because one book is like $20-$30. So if I have 3 books that are like $30 or $20 a piece, just made my money back, and I just bought 25 books. So we about to be rich, boo. We about to be rich. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Okay. Stay tuned. This book right here, as you see, it's really cute. Got this little thing in here for, you see, for planners. This book right here, nothing in it. I bought it for $2.49. There's nothing in it. Sold on Amazon for $29.90. As you see, it's nighttime. I just got finished scanning all the books. I scanned in 24 books. One was restricted, and I cannot figure out how to get restricted. I unrestricted. I sent her approval. I tried to apply for approval, try to put in a request. However, it wouldn't let me. It wouldn't let me get to the screen where I can actually upload my receipt, which is annoying because that book sold for like $20. But this whatever, to each his own. After I scanned all of them in and calculated all my prices that I put in, I will be making a little over $400. Now, this is a potential earning. Potential. I haven't made it yet because I haven't shipped the books to Amazon and no one's bought them yet. So tomorrow I'm going to ship these all out. I spent in total $64 for these books, and my potential earnings is $4 something. I'm gonna put it on the screen. So pretty darn good, you know, after they are sold. That would be very good. And even if they don't sell their books, I can donate them to the library. Like, it's not that serious. I spent money on books. Learning is power. So I'm not really stressing it or really concerned about it. I'm at the DoorDash for a little bit just to make my money back from what I spent today. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, you guys. Let's make this money. My hair looks a mess, and I don't care, cause I don't feel the greatest. It's hot up in here. Okay, we're on our way to the library because my printer's not working because I have no color ink, even though I'm trying to print in black and white. So I'm about to go to the library, print out something. I was looking for that. That was me last night. Let's do this thing.
You got a CD player.
What? A CD player in my car? I don't.
No, I'm talking about.
In real life?
Give me a I don't have a CD player in real life. I broke the radio that had a CD player in it. They don't make cars with CD players anymore. That's weird. Well, I guess they're obsolete. About to go to the what? Library. While I was here at the library, look what I found. Look at my... So you guys, I just did a little haul. Found 3 books, $3, and they're gonna sell for $30. Hey!
Yo, it's hot. So I did it. All the books are packed up, labeled and everything. Now we're about to head to UPS. My mom talking about I'm melting. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay. At UPS, just dropped off. Now sit back and wait. Got 2 days. 2 days shipping. That was easy, right, Mom? Yeah.